Good morning. How are you all? I hope you've had a good week. I'm here today with a lot of new yarn that we've gotten in the shop recently, and I wanted to show it to you in case you haven't had a chance to come in. So the first thing I have is a yarn called My Little Sunshine. It's new to us. This is by a guy named Jody Long, who's in the UK, and he's designing lots of patterns and has lots of new yarns. One of the things that I thought would be a great idea would be to have a cotton fingering weight, sport fingering, to make socks. So this is a cotton and acrylic, 60% organic cotton and 40% acrylic, and we think it would be great for socks, and especially for those little shorty socks. Or it would also be really a good choice for any kind of baby knitwear that you'd like to make because of the cotton and acrylic, and it's a lightweight. Be great for little summer sweaters, for babies, or for yourself. So the colors we have, there's a white and a blue called Bubbles, and a lavender called Sweetheart. And I like these because we don't have a lot of solid sock yarn, so I like these for these solid colors. This one's called Love, gorgeous bright orange, and then a lighter orange, or maybe that you'd call that a red. This is called Happy, it's brighter orange, and Twinkles in the baby blue, and Sweetheart that I showed you, Sweetheart, we already have that, and Delight in this purple, and then a beautiful pink called Sugar Plum. So I recommend these particularly for kids things and for socks. They're great colors for summer, for little shorty socks to wear with your sneakers. People love this kind of thing. So the next yarn that we have is new to us from Berroco, and it's called LUCA, and currently we have a trunk show in the shop, but I think it'll only be here through the end of this week. But it's a gorgeous yarn that is a blend of 50% cotton and 50% cashmere. And it comes in these gorgeous, or we have it in these gorgeous colors. I think there may be others. So these are the color choices that we have. This is called Cranberry. This is Pearl, and we have Silver in the gray, and Golden, which is one of my favorite colors, and Pewter, and Poppy. And I'm going to show you some of the items that we have in the trunk show. And the first thing I have are a lovely pair of mitts that super warm and soft, nice to wear in kind of a basket weave. And then there's a matching hat to go with it. This hat is called Penthea hat. Nice, generous hat. And here we have a Dickie. You remember these? But they've come back into fashion. So this is made with the cranberry color, and this is called Delphine. So very nice to keep you warm in the winter if you just want a little something around your neck. This is a cowl, the same pattern as the hat and the mittens were, and this is called Penthea cowl. And then my favorite here, and I'm going to stand up to show you this. This is a sweater designed by Amy Christoffers, and look at the back. Isn't that beautiful? This is called Neri, N-E-R-I. Beautiful. Looks like a boyfriend sweater from the front, and then you have this gorgeous lace work on the back. And finally, another Amy Christoffers pattern called Adara, and this has this beautiful lace work down the sides and down the sleeves in the front and in the back. And this is a garter stitch on the rest of it. So that's a lovely winter sweater, or fall, because it's kind of lightweight. So last but not least, we have some new yarns from Frabjous Fibers, the Wonderland yarns. And what I have here are gradient fingering weight kits. And we have this colorway, which is called Mimsy. And we have September. And these are the colors. I guess I didn't show the back of this very well. The beautiful colors. And we have a gray gradient. So these are very pretty for any gradient pattern. This one is called Jub Jub Bird. Down the rabbit hole. I don't know. That's a fun name. And then finally we have this one, which is Shillings and Pence. And these are the colors. We also have, and then I'm going to show you some choices of patterns for those. We also have a few, these are selling fast. This is called Stuff and Nonsense. And these are, this is a rainbow gradient. And it comes as a kit with a shawl called I can't say it, Frabulously felt faded shawl, and it's a really pretty shawl pattern. So you can do that with this one. And this one is called Rhyme and Reason. And these are the colors, very pretty. And we can obviously get, we only have a few of these right now, but we can always order more. I have some ideas for some of the packs. This is a great cowl called 3-Color Cashmere Cowl, but this would work really nice with these gradients, if you can imagine those. And for these color packs, the larger ones, this is a great shawl called Color Riot. And it's a nice, generous, big shawl, and you could use lots of colors. Good way to use up some scraps if you might have some scraps of fingering weight yarn. It starts in one end and goes all the way to the other. And last but not least is one of our favorite shawls, is called Raina. And this is a really good choice for these little smaller gradient packs. Okay, so here is more fingering weight from Wonderland yarns. These are sock weight in 85% superwash merino and 15% nylon. And we have these beautiful colors. This is in their yarn they call Marianne. And these are the gorgeous colors that we have. So great for shawls, great for socks, and even for a sweater. So we have some sweater quantities. So come in and take a look. And again, if you like this video and you enjoy seeing us, like us on Facebook and on YouTube. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That helps us a great deal. And we will see you again next week. Take care. Bye-bye.